Hey, welcome back. I hope you've had a chance to set your place, and you should have 2 forks on your left, 1 knife on your right next to your plate, and 1 small spoon. If you have a soup that you're being served, the server will bring out a soup spoon, which looks like this. It's more round. And if you're having soup, you're going to dip it away from you and then to your mouth. Again, away from you. But that will usually come out with your bowl of soup. Okay, the server will provide that. So for right now, for this everyday dressy place setting, you only need 1 spoon. And that, again, is going to be your all-purpose spoon. If you need to stir your coffee, you can use it for that. You're not going to eat any of your entree items with the spoon. The spoon may come in handy with dessert, but usually they'll bring out a separate utensil for the dessert. At this point, we don't know what dessert is. Okay, if you're having a steak, they will also bring out a steak knife with your meal. And that's usually got a wooden handle and really serrated edges. So for right now, you need a small fork, you need a larger fork, and that's going to be closest to your plate, and then you need 1 knife and 1 small spoon. Up here to the left is your bread and butter plate. If you're at a banquet table and you're seated at an 8 top or a 10 top, which means that's a round table with 8 seats, an 8 top or a 10 top. And there's a whole bunch of dishes and platters and silverware and glasses on the table. Your bread and butter plate is going to be on the left, always on the left, always on the left. Your water glasses are all, and your beverage glasses, whatever you're drinking, wine, Kool-Aid, iced tea, is going to be on the right. Okay? Let's assume that this is your salad that's coming out. Very often at a banquet situation, it is already plated. It's already in front of you. The salad dressing is not going to be in a bottle like it is at your house. It's going to be in a special little pretty container, maybe a gravy boat, and it's going to have its own ladle to serve it. If it doesn't have a ladle, it should have a pouring spout, and you can dress your salad by pouring the salad dressing on that way. When you're done with it, pass it to the right. You always pass things to the right. Again, if the bread and butter basket is here on the table, you take your 1 roll. You're not going to take 3 or 4 rolls. You're not going to massage each one to find out which one is the freshest. Nobody wants your handprints on all over the bread. And you're going to put that on your bread and butter plate and then pass the basket to the person on your right. Okay? All righty. Let's assume, and then the small fork is your salad fork. If you can't remember which one to use, you use your utensils from the outside in. So the small fork, the salad fork, is farthest away from you, and that's the one you're going to start your meal with. And that's how you eat your salad. You may need to cut up big pieces of lettuce, and we'll talk about the proper, how you hold your utensils to do that. And they rest there, and then you eat your salad. When you're done with that, you can just leave this in the bowl, and then the server will take that away. One thing I hate to see when I'm dining out is people that think they're being helpful, and they pick up and stack all the plates or all the dirty dishes together thinking you're helping the server. You're not, and that's not your job. You're not getting paid to clear off the table. Just leave everything where it belongs. There's a signal with your silverware that the servers are aware of, and they will come and get your soiled plates and utensils. Okay, so let's assume that you're done with your salad, or go ahead and enjoy your salad, and we'll come back, okay? All righty.